Look, I got a magical popcorn here,
Magic
and we're gonna
popcorn.
cook.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a microwave.
Magical popcorn right in here. We're gonna close it up. Let's put 2 minutes. Put it on 2. Okay, it's 2 right there. Okay, we just listen. We wait. It's gonna.
Go and pop.
Pop, 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 pop. Now it's going down. The popcorn's popping.
Yeah. Amazing.
Ooh, ooh.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Ah.
Okay.
So,
3, 2, 1. Okay, pop it open. Oh, look at amazing. We're gonna leave it right here for a second till it cools down. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a magical pop. Okay, granddaughter. No, this is hot. Gotta be careful now. Okay,
It's like granddaughter.
granddaughter.
What?
Look at this. It's the magical popcorn.
It's a magic popcorn turn you into glow.
Want to see? The magical popcorn.
Let's try one.
It's hot. Be careful.
Oh, it's so hot.
Mmm. Mmm. That's how does magical popcorn taste? Tastes good, huh?
No, yeah, to our table.
Okay. Let's go to the table then.